Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by verifying firmware parity. Download the official Fenix updater and connect each Q3 with the included USB programming cable to a laptop. Update both units to the same firmware build so they speak the same protocol. Power each unit with a stable 12V supply and confirm the status LED shows steady green. Low or flashing LEDs indicate voltage or boot issues. Position the master and slave within 1 meter during setup, so the sync cable runs straight without bends or tension, and you can easily reach controls. With firmware matched, enter each Q3 menu using the front panel buttons and set addressing. Assign the master address 1 and assign slaves distinct addresses such as 2, 3, etc. On the master, enable sync mode by pressing and holding the dedicated sync button for 5 seconds until its LED blinks rapidly. This triggers sync broadcast. Connect the supplied RJ45 sync cable from the master sync OUT jack to each slave sync-in. Daisy chain slaves by linking OUT to in, ensuring secure clicks in each connector. Finish by validating synchronization. Play a clear test tone or siren pattern from the master and observe the slave. Reproducing the sound in step. Properly synced units will match within 1 frame and sound instantaneous. If you notice latency, open the master menu and adjust sync delay in 1 millisecond increments until alignment is tight. Once aligned, secure all RJ45 and power cables. Route them at least 3.5 inches away from moving parts, and do a brief road test to confirm stable LED and audio behavior under.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.